Hey, happy Wednesday, traders. This is William H. Adventure Dog from the Bear Bull Traders community. And today I want to share with you a couple things and do my recap in a creative way. So first, I want to share with you guys our chat room, Bear Bull Traders. Andrew's speaking right now. He's going over his trades. We've got a whole many members here talking about their trades, some good, some bad, getting advice from others. We got moderators that chime in. Andrew always answers questions too. So we have a really great community for learning and sharing. That's why I love our community. So let's go back to the trade here, which is what I'm going to try to do. We're going to try to make a learning experience for myself included. I want to reaffirm the stuff that I know and share what I've learned with others, and then I know others will share what they learned with me. So on this chart, I took a trade right over here in the next minute on the 1 and the 5 and the 15, and this is what I saw. So I want you guys to take a 10-second mind experiment, a thought experiment, and you tell me, or you don't tell me, you can post in the comments about this. What do you see on this chart? How would you make this trade? Because this is what I saw live. Okay, think it through. What do you see? Do you see this as the potential reversal? You see all these MAs, you see more MAs, you see on the 15 it was looking down. All right, so what I saw through help with a member in our chat who alerted me to it, Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. It was a great alert. I saw a potential pull. And then I was like, all right, this looks long, but I'm not going to make a play because I need a 5-minute setup. Then I saw a potential flag. Okay, so this is a picture perfect bull flag. If it breaks up, it's going to go. Okay, so I have a 5-minute bull flag. Then on the 1 minute, I see that this bull flag is holding VWAP and holding the 50 with the 50 crossing the 9 and 20, which anyone who knows me know that that's a really strong indicator I love. And then on the 15, it's actually in a new 15-minute high. I'm going to show you over here. And it bounced off potential strong support in the pre-market. It couldn't break that. So I see a 5-minute bull flag. I don't see this as a reversal candle. A lot of people do, but no, this is a 5-minute bull flag for the 5, the 1 minute holding VWAP, and the 15-minute is in a 15-minute high. So of course I long it, okay? And I get filled at 255.84, okay? Now here's the really interesting thing. I woke up sick this morning and I'm traveling back home for Christmas. And I know that if I have a bad trading day this close before I have a pause in trading, I'm not going to feel good, especially when I knew I was sick. So I reduced my share size. A lot of times we want to increase our share size to make more money, but then we can't read the charts properly. If I went full size, I don't know what would have happened. But because I went smaller size and I saw the setup and I executed the trade, I executed the setup exactly how I wanted to, I decided I'm going to let this thing run. I know what happens on 5-minute bull flags. You don't need, especially on the SPY. This thing can move 30, 50 cents. No, it can move a whole dollar. It can move $2. So I decided to set a limit order. And I told myself I'm holding. And I would not have done this with full size. I was holding until the whole dollar, knowing that once that breaks, it can just bust through everything. And that's what I did. I held and held, and I wasn't necessarily reading the chart that much because I could have held more. As you can see this, it was no new 5-minute highs. It was holding on the 1. But I got a whole dollar. I was happy with it. I actually got over $1 because it just burst through my dollar mark before I could set my limit order. And I got like 20 more cents because it was, you see like right here, I was thinking about setting a limit order. And then it just burst through, so then I got out. And then here, so because my share size was reduced, I did not overanalyze. I didn't get worried about these little micro pullbacks. It's just rolling up the 1 right there. On the 1 minute up the 9. Never even touching the 20 or losing VWAP. So I was just really, really happy with everything I was seeing. And I got out 100%. I let it ride over $1. I got out 100%, done for the day. Now this was just a hotkey mistake, and I still make hotkey mistakes. I meant to sell, but I accidentally hit buy, so I covered really, really quick, and it went up a couple cents even for that, so it was nothing. So that was just a little hotkey mistake, and I got out completely. So letting my winner run on a good 5-minute setup with the 1 and 15 going in my favor, that's what I want to do. Hope you guys like this, and hope you come try out our community. Have a great day, everyone.